Okay, it's unwrapping time. I've kept it on because it's not my first wrap. I've actually kept it on for about 2 hours now, and let's see. So after unwrapping, I have the gel, the defining gel, to wrap around it. So once you unwrap, you're going to massage. Okay, massage. It's massage time. Massage all the creams in. Okay, massage. And let your massaging be on upward motion, not downward. Generally, gravity is going to try to pull you down anyway, so make sure it's against gravity, just upward motion, upward. And then after doing that, I'll now put on the so here is the defining gel. It helps to tone and smoothing all those scar areas. Now I've got the stretch marks that's coming, so I'm just breaking this now. This is about 150 mils. It's going to last for quite a while. Just need a little bit, just a little bit. See, and then I'm just gonna rub, massage, and again on the upward motion. So make it upward. Yeah, I'm loving the results. Inches going very soon. Yeah, and that's it. All done. You see the before and after right now.